Hey everyone, so I have a very quick Louis Vuitton unboxing to show you. This is an SLG that I picked up as part of the summer collection. So we're just going to get right into it here. And this is my new Louis Vuitton key pouch in the very beautiful Sunrise Aquarelle collection. How pretty is that, you guys? So now we're going to check out the details. First of all, this print is by far my favorite print that Louis Vuitton has ever done. It is so beautiful. You can see this ombre effect of the pinks to orange, and then we have some magenta pink right here. It's very pretty. The zipper is buttery smooth. There you go. And when we open her up, mine was made in France. Comes with the 2 price tags here, and this little clasp. You can use this to hook onto your jeans or onto a bag, and that's what I really love about this, is it makes a great key charm. So this is my Louis Vuitton Alma backpack, and I just got this near the end of May. So I have been using it for a couple months now, and it's held up really well. I use this bag daily, and I just really wanted a summer piece that was a little trendy, but also with a vintage touch. And I think that this key pouch is so perfect because it's based off the original watercolor collection from 2006, I believe. So I plan to use these 2 pieces together. So I'm going to hook this on to my Alma backpack, and we'll see how that looks. Just like that. Okay, so that's kind of cute, but I wouldn't recommend having this hang in the front because the clasp might get scratched with the zipper. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to take this off. I don't know. Well, either way, I think these 2 pieces are super cute and they work really well together. It's just really nice to have that little pop of color. If I'm using this as a top handle bag, it does stay a little bit better if I put the key pouch on the left side as opposed to the right side. But that's just a matter of personal opinion. Super cute. Okay, so let's take a look at how many cards will fit. So I have about 5 cards here and some cash. Okay, so that was easy, super easy, and you have so much room. I can also try to fit this little perfume that I have, and then a wet wipe. Wow. Alright, so that's super cute. This feels really soft, you guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's so practical. I haven't had a key pouch in my collection for quite some time now. I used to have a monogram. I used to have a dummy bean key pouch for like the longest time, like over 10 years I want to say, and it's featured in one of my previous videos, but eventually it did wear out. So since then I had not replaced it with another one until now, finally. So anyway, I'm super happy to have this key pouch back in my collection. I highly, highly recommend it. If it's still available on the website, you should definitely go out and get it. I actually recommend getting any kind of empreinte leather key pouch because this is super soft and I could see this fitting a lot inside. When you're on the go, it's like you have your car key here, You have all your cash and cards here. So this makes like the perfect like grab and go wallet. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know if you've purchased any SLGs lately or anything from this collection. And until next time, take care.